Have you ever felt a deep longing for something more? A sense that there is a greater purpose waiting for you just beyond the horizon? A yearning for a life filled with purpose, joy, and abundance? Imagine waking up every day with a sense of fulfillment, knowing that you are living your true potential. What if I told you that you have the power to manifest anything you desire? Yes, you heard that right. The dreams that you hold close to your heart can become your reality. It's true. The law of attraction is a powerful force that governs the universe. This law is not just a concept, it is a way of life that can transform your existence. It states that life attracts like what you focus on, you attract. Your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs are like magnets, drawing similar energies towards you. By understanding and harnessing this law, you can unlock a life beyond your wildest dreams. Picture yourself achieving your goals, living in abundance, and experiencing joy in every moment. Are you ready to step into your power? Let's begin this journey together. Embrace the possibilities and watch as your dreams unfold before your eyes. The universe is waiting for you to take the first step. Let's begin.
Close your eyes. Imagine your ideal life. What do you see? Feel the emotions, the joy, the fulfillment. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifestation. It involves creating a clear and vivid mental picture of your desired outcome. The more detailed and emotionally charged your visualization, the stronger your attraction. See yourself living your dream life. Feel the excitement, the gratitude, the pure bliss.
Words have power. What you say to yourself matters. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your desired beliefs. Repeat them daily with conviction and feeling. I am worthy of abundance. I attract love and joy into my life. These affirmations program your subconscious mind, aligning your energy with your desires. Believe in the power of your words.
Gratitude is a magnet for miracles. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your energy from lack to abundance. Start each day by listing 3 things you're thankful for. Appreciate the little things. A warm cup of coffee, a beautiful sunset, a kind gesture. This simple practice opens your heart to receive more blessings. The universe rewards gratitude.
Inspired action, aligning your actions with your dreams. Manifesting is not about sitting back and waiting for miracles to happen. It's about taking inspired action towards your goals. The universe will present you with opportunities. Trust your intuition. Take the leap. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dreams. Action breeds momentum. Keep moving forward.
Jim Carrey, a testament to the power of belief. Before he was a Hollywood star, Jim Carrey was a struggling actor with a dream. He visualized his success daily, even writing himself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered. Years later, he received that exact amount for his role in Dumb and Dumber. Carrey's story is a powerful reminder that anything is possible with unwavering belief. Oprah Winfrey, from humble beginnings to global inspiration. Oprah Winfrey's journey is a testament to the transformative power of the law of attraction. From a challenging childhood to becoming a media mogul and philanthropist, Oprah always believed in her potential. She focused on gratitude, visualized her success, and took inspired action. Today, she inspires millions to live their best lives.
Real-life manifestations, stories of hope and transformation. The law of attraction is not just a theory, it's a powerful force that has changed the lives of many. It's a reality for countless individuals who have manifested their dreams. These stories are living proof that with the right mindset and belief, anything is possible. From finding love to achieving financial freedom to healing from illness. These stories offer hope and inspiration. They show us that no matter the challenges we face, there is always a way to overcome them. One woman visualized finding her dream home. She spent time every day imagining herself living in the perfect house, feeling the joy and comfort it would bring. Weeks later, she stumbled upon the perfect house, even though it wasn't yet listed for sale. It was as if the universe had aligned to make her dream a reality. A man used affirmations to overcome his fear of public speaking. He repeated positive statements to himself every day, visualizing his success and feeling the confidence grow within him. He's now a confident and successful entrepreneur. His journey shows that with determination and the right mindset, we can conquer our fears and achieve our goals. These stories prove that anything is possible when you align with the universe. They remind us that we have the power to create our own reality, to turn our dreams into tangible outcomes. By believing in ourselves and staying positive, we can manifest the life we desire. So let these stories inspire you to take action, to believe in the power of your dreams, and to trust that the universe is always working in your favor.
Your journey starts now. Embrace the law of attraction. The power to manifest your dreams is within you. Start by shifting your mindset. Believe in yourself and the infinite possibilities that await you. Embrace the principles of visualization, affirmations, gratitude, and inspired action. The universe is always conspiring to support you on this incredible journey of self-discovery. Tips for success. Cultivating a manifesting mindset. Be clear about your desires. Start by identifying what you truly want in life. This clarity is the foundation of your manifesting journey. What do you truly want to manifest in your life? Visualize daily. Spend a few minutes each day imagining your desired outcome as if it has already happened. Feel the emotions associated with your success. Create a vivid mental picture of your desired outcome. Use affirmations to reinforce your beliefs. Write down positive statements that align with your goals and repeat them daily. Speak your desires into existence. Practice gratitude. Acknowledge the good things you already have in your life. This positive energy will attract more of what you want. Focus on what you're thankful for to attract more abundance. Take inspired action. It's not enough to just think about your goals. You must also take steps towards achieving them. Align your actions with your goals and trust the universe to guide you. Be patient and persistent. Understand that manifesting your desires is a process that requires time and dedication. Manifesting takes time and effort. Don't give up on your dreams. Stay committed and remember that every small step you take brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Keep believing in yourself and the power of your mindset. Join the movement, share your story, and inspire others. You are not alone on this journey. Connect with others who are also exploring the power of the law of attraction. Share your successes, your challenges, and your insights. Together, we can create a ripple effect of positivity and abundance. The world needs your light. Shine bright and inspire.